Okay, so we can see here that this is a worldwide opportunity. Look at these flags here. We have from India, we have Canada, we have France, we have United States, United Kingdom. Let's go up a little bit here. Look at all these different countries. This is a worldwide opportunity. And look at the amounts here. $277.69. We have another user here from United States, $339.34. We have another one, $424.66. And look at this, $604.18. This is amazing. All you have to do is just go to. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make some super easy free PayPal money by simply watching videos online. I'm going to show you inside the members area everything you need to know about this opportunity, so what you need to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you how you can earn some easy free PayPal money here by simply watching videos online. And if you want to earn more at the same site, you can do that as well, because there are more opportunities here at the same site I'm going to share with you. So what you need to do is pay attention, don't skip anything, because then you might miss on the extra opportunities I'm going to share with you here. So watch the whole video, stick till the end here, so you can see exactly how you can earn some easy free PayPal money by simply watching videos online. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can make some free easy PayPal money by simply watching videos. Let's go! Okay, first let me explain a little bit on how this works. This works really simple. There are advertisers who pay for actually recruiting members like you. They want you to do some online activities, and one of those is of course watching videos, but you can also earn money by taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps and more. And of course we earn some free gift cards or PayPal cash if we prefer that, which I probably guess that most of us prefer actually. But you can see here are some examples if you prefer some other gift cards actually. Amazon gift cards is one example, Xbox another one. We have Fortnite and Google Play here, PlayStation. So a lot of opportunities to pick from, a lot of gift cards actually, I'm sorry. And of course we have the PayPal cash here. Now the site I'm going to share with you, you can see here, they have tons of testimonials here, so it is a legit site, do not worry about that at all. We're going to see here some real live payment proofs also. So basically I'm going to go straight into the members area. You do need of course to sign up here, and we are talking about Grab Points. So this is how it looks when you arrive inside the members area. You can see here I just verified and I earned 50 points already by simply doing nothing, okay? And this is really fun and interesting. You can see here we can earn money by taking surveys, watching videos, do offers, and of course there is a referral program. Let's have a quick look at some of these here. So basically let's go straight to what interests us, and that is watching videos. So you can see here that we have Hideout TV, earn 7 points for every 3 videos watched with ads here, credits unlimited times, and then we have of course the Grab Rewards videos. Let's just open this up here so see what this is all about and how it works. So look at this, we have for example here, let's say that we want to earn this 7 points here. Watch the latest food videos and earn for every video plus ad. You can manually withdraw once you watch at least 3 video ads there, okay? So +7, it opens up in a new tab here. And look at this, you can even get points from the creators at the end of their videos, which you can use for rewards, including coming soon swag from the creators. When you hit the got it,
the top looks like, and it's by Nestle, okay? Check them out online at nestle.ca for more information on their parlor brand. They've got a whole wide variety of them. Make sure you...
Okay, I'm going to stop it here because it is not necessary for me to play it. You can do it for yourself. I mean, this is not so hard to do at all, okay? So this is how it works. Really simple and easy, all right? So if I go back here to the section where it says the offer wall, you can see that there is tons of more opportunities here by simply watching videos online. You can get busy with this for hours, okay? But you do have, of course, more opportunities as we could see earlier here. Let's say, for example, that you want to take some paid surveys. You can see here that you earn 800 points by taking this survey, 1000 points here by taking the next one, and so on here. Really a lot of opportunities. Look at this, live feeds, okay? So here you can see the earnings if you want to. People who earn points here straight away now. This is live feed as I'm recording this video. And here we have some cash outs, okay? Here is some PayPal, $3, PayPal, free 5. Okay, we have all the time. It happens all the time. This is live. And it is pretty active site, I would say, actually, because it moves all the time here. Now, basically, there is also more ways, and we have a referral program here. So if I go to refer friends, let's see here, you can see here that there is a referral program. So if I go down here, you can see here, share your referral link with friends and you earn points when they reach 1000 points. In addition, they'll earn 500 free points when they sign up with your invite code. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave my link so you can earn 500 free points straight away when you sign up there. You don't have to do it if you want to. I'm not going to get rich by getting 500 points here from you. But if you want to show us an appreciation, I really appreciate it very much. So make sure you do this as well. And you can share this to your friends, family friends, and a lot of people around. There is a lot of ways that you can share this link, because the more you share it, the more you will earn, of course, also. So this is another great opportunity, actually. And let me know, by the way, what you think about this so far, guys. Hit the like button also if you like it. And let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Also where you are from, so I know where I can target some more videos specific to your countries there. Alright, let's move on here. We had the referral program, we had the surveys, there is also some offer vaults, okay? So if I open this up here, you can see here you can earn by Zoombucks 5,000 points here, 25 countries, CPE, register with email, Facebook or Google, and you can reach 5,000 points here. So I hope you realize that this is a fantastic site with a lot of opportunities that you can get started to earn some free PayPal money with, because this is exactly what it's all about. You sign up for free, you watch videos, you take surveys, you take the offer vaults here, and you earn free PayPal money. Alright, so there you have it. I think I more or less covered everything. You can, of course, have a look at the details here for yourself. There is also a frequently asked questions if you want to have a look at that, but I really can't find any reason why you shouldn't go and sign up straight away and have a look at the details for yourself later on there. Alright, so that's it about Grab Points. You'll find a link, as I said earlier, here in my description here below. So you can go and sign up for free and get 500 points there. Now, if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish the video here, of course. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. It helps a lot. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Both are related, so I highly recommend you to subscribe to both and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation here at my end screen as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.